Wow! So guys, I just came from school. My day was good. How was your day? What was that? What is this? It says Terra Sect. I have no idea what this one is. It looks like it came from outer space. What is this? What is this thing? It looks out of this world. Let's bring it inside and check it out. Thank you, Alpha Group US. This is TerraSect. You can roll for the or attack. Roll, flip, or attack. Not for children under 3 years old. Can I see it? I'm not free. It's 4 years old. It needs 4 AA batteries and 3 AAA batteries. Technically for age 8+, but it's okay, I can do it. See ya. I'm not little. Got to open it. Wow, so this is cool. Maybe if I turn this on, this is the on-off button. This part needs 4 AA batteries. Ask for help for our parents. This is the control. This is the control, and so you move it. Boing, 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 boing. This one moves it front and back, and this one makes it turn a little bit. This top button makes it roll, flip, and attack. My parents helped me put AA batteries in here. Let's turn this on. Looks like an insect. The eyes glow. Let's try this out. Roll, roll. Let's try it outside. I don't even know how to do it. Wow!